don't listen to the haters, man, I treat them like the enemy. Had a couple traitors, man, but now they know the penalty. I tell them, see you later, fam, I do not need this jealousy. I got no time for failure, man, I wanna leave a legacy. I lock in, I'm sold out, pop up for the whole crowd. I got this, I roll out, I promise, have no doubt. I'm all in, here I go now, call in, you all out. Take hostage, some bros down, they novice when I throw down. We gon' make it all.
That's not bothering me out.
What is up, everyone?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of TNT Adventures.
Ooh, she's a loose. What the hell's that? That's a dead plant. Prickly? No, I just hit it with my foot. Damn it.
We're gonna try this trail with these bikes. We haven't had these down here yet.
I gotta pee. I guess we'll ride for a little bit until I have to pee, and then we do a dip video so then I can pee.
Trippy's always got to pee.
Urinate. It's that morning dip, I tell ya. It has orange juice and grenadine. Okay. Ooh. Whoa! I hit it. Yeah.
Slick. Oh my god.
I thought you were going down.
Me too. I thought I was able to pass the slippery part, so I gave it a juice. Apparently not.
No, it's okay.
I'm getting fucking soaked.
Yeah, me too. Whoa, see, fuck, I just gently touched it. I almost lost her there. Holy fuck, she's all slick, bud.
Yeah, and the sun blaring me in the eyes is not any help.
Oh. That is true. Holy shit. I mean, you guys, you just touched the throttle and you're going sideways in here.
Oh, we got some whoops.
What about him out on the arrow? Oh, I almost lost her in that mud hole. Oh, I went in the mud hole.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, she's a slick like a fucking KY jelly in here. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Wasn't it?
I thought that would have been a little smoother than it was.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I got mud on my hand. Thank you. Oh, I gotta wipe the camera lens.
Oh, yeah. There we go. That might help a little.
Oh, I was wondering why it was so dark. I had my sunglasses down on my helmet. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, in the rainforest.
Pretty fucking much.
It's so nicer having a bike that has a little bit of torque.
Oh, yeah.
You can actually spin the tire in mud. Oh, big bump, big bump.
I can go over that. Oh, actually, that's pretty big.
Yeah, I didn't want to do that, just in case.
Yeah.
Most of this trail's been coasting.
Ooh. Everything just kicks you sideways. A little
A lot of rock. Oh yeah, the mud.
Who invented mud? Because I love them.
How's that like, where'd the trail go? Looks like someone's fire pit.
Whew. You're gonna hit me a tree. Oh, yeah.
We're deep in the bush.
I think so. Really deep. I like being deep. Deep is the pleasure. Oh, that's where we should go. This way.
Yeah.
Isn't
Yeah, come on. I gotta turn around.
Isn't this the way to that little treehouse thing?
No, it's a completely different trail.
Oh, okay. Then I'll follow you.
I think. I've never been on this one before.
Okay. Then I just follow you. I don't know, when we were on it, there was no like green stuff in here kind of deal. There might have been, just not this overgrown.
Well, there's no fucking bugs in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the left.
Yeah.
Woo. She's a little. Whoa. Yeah, I know. Every time my front tire hits a stump, it feels like it's kicking out.
Okay, we're down to the end of that trail, so we...
I'm hoping my urination can wait till we find that place.
Oh, if you want to find that place, we gotta turn around and go back up this.
Oh.
Oh, there's people here. How's it going?
Who the heck's out on their bikes this early without a video camera? You gotta be crazy. Oh yeah, you gotta pee so bad. Holy fuck, this is a little overgrown.
Right? No one's been down here in a while.
That's for sure. Oh, I guess we are now.
Yeah, we're stopping here. Look at all that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh. We'll have to go back that way and in a trail somewhere. She's over.
Okay, I gotta pee. I can't wait to do a dip video. Oh my god. I look up at the sun, guys.
You might have been right when we were in there. It might have been the right way to go. Trippy says.
Oh my god. Oh, this is like so relieving. Give it a shake. I shake it more than twice, but I'm not touching it right now, so.
Use quiet, but. Yeah, it'd be pretty slippery for bicycles, even.
Yeah. All that fucking bottom end torque.
Whoa. I was on one part of the trail and I just slid down.
Yeah, I did. I think I did exactly what you did in the exact same spot. Whew.
Yeah, that spot is up in the trail, but it's probably going up in there.
Yeah.
Which means they'll be everywhere in there.
Yeah.
The trail's not very long. Oh, I bet you the GoPro looks nice and raised this for us.
Oh, maybe. Oh. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh. Whoa. I am soaked in mud.
Soaked in mud.
Literally. I have mud inside my helmet because my visor wasn't down. I'm like caked. My bike is caked. I'm caked. I like a fucking white chocolate cake. Literally.
I had to give it. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I said it's sinking. Same girl.
I better clean the GoPro. Cleaned it off.
Well, at the end of the show, we could go somewhere else for a dip video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, it's a quick little trail ride in there.
Oh.
In that slippery little trail.
Oh, I almost drove into the rhubarb. Who likes rhubarb? I like rhubarb. Rhubarb pie, rhubarb muffin.
I like rhubarb pie.
Yeah, rhubarb strawberry pie. Oh,
Yeah.
look, he's still shooting the fucking poop on me. He definitely likes to get me poopy. That didn't sound proper. Ah.
Oh yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe as always. Stay tipsy.
Stay trippy. Tripping.
And stay biking, y'all. Be soon.
Cheers, y'all.